Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and realizing a small financial decision you made years ago has cost you thousands. It's a sinking feeling, isn't it? That moment of dread, when you see the numbers, and realize the impact of a seemingly insignificant choice. Most of us make these kinds of financial mistakes daily without realizing their long-term impact. From that daily coffee purchase to the subscription services we forget to cancel, these small expenses add up over time. It's not just about the big-ticket items, it's the little things that can quietly drain our finances. In this video, I'll walk you through 30 common financial mistakes and how to avoid them to keep more of your hard-earned money. We'll explore everything from overspending on credit cards to not having an emergency fund and even the pitfalls of not investing wisely. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to make smarter financial decisions. So, grab a notebook and let's dive into these common pitfalls and learn how to steer clear of them. Your financial future will thank you. Managing money is a crucial life skill, yet we often learn through costly trial and error. Financial mistakes can have long-lasting impacts on our lives, affecting not just our bank accounts but also our mental well-being and future opportunities. When was the last time you learned about budgeting, investing, or interest rates in school? For many of us, the answer is never. Schools often overlook these essential topics, leaving us to navigate the complex world of finance on our own. From living paycheck to battling credit card debt, financial mistakes are common. These errors can lead to a cycle of debt that is hard to break, making it difficult to save for the future or invest in opportunities that could improve our lives. These mistakes often stem from a lack of financial literacy, which is the understanding of how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it grow. Without this knowledge, we are more likely to make poor financial decisions, leading to stress and anxiety about money. The constant worry about bills, debt, and financial stability can take a toll on our mental health, causing sleepless nights and strained relationships. It's crucial to seek out resources and education to improve our financial literacy and make better financial decisions. Fortunately, there are many resources available to help us improve our financial literacy. From online courses and workshops to books and apps, we have the tools we need to take control of our finances and avoid costly mistakes. By investing time in learning about personal finance, we can make informed decisions that will benefit us in the long run. Whether it's creating a budget, understanding how to invest, or learning about interest rates, every bit of knowledge helps. The journey to financial literacy may seem daunting, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you are in control of your financial future. No more sleepless nights worrying about bills or debt. Instead, you can focus on achieving your financial goals and building a secure future for yourself and your family. It's never too late to start learning about personal finance. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your current situation, taking the time to educate yourself can make a significant difference. And remember, the more we know, the better equipped we are to make smart financial decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Now here are the 27 rules to your financial freedom. Let's get started. Rule number 1, make a solid plan. Small financial decisions can snowball into bigger problems. A financial plan acts as a roadmap guiding you towards your goals, like buying a home or retiring early. Think of it like planning a trip. You map out your destination and budget for the journey. Your financial journey deserves the same level of planning. Rule number 2, budgeting is the key to financial freedom. By creating a budget, you control your money and decide where it goes, instead of letting it slip away. Let's have a look at the simple steps to budgeting success. Starting a budget is simple. Write down all your expenses for a month. Include everything: rent, groceries, transportation, and even daily coffee runs. You might be surprised by your spending habits. Once you see where your money goes, you can identify areas to cut back. Rule number 3, small changes make a big impact. Small adjustments can lead to big savings over time. Try packing lunch instead of buying it daily. Negotiate better rates on bills or insurance. Adjusting spending habits frees up cash for your financial goals, leading to financial freedom. Rule number 4, don't get burned. Credit cards can be both a blessing and a curse. While useful for building credit and earning rewards, they can lead to debt if not managed carefully. Rule number 5, the minimum payment myth. Paying just the minimum keeps you in debt for years, as most of your payment goes towards interest, not the principal balance. Rule number 6, conquering credit card. Debt is important. If you can barely afford minimum payments, there are still ways to manage your debt. Make more than the minimum payment whenever possible. Even an extra $20 or $50 can make a difference. Focus on paying down high-interest cards first. Rule number 7, prioritize your debt payoff. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay off high-interest cards first to save on interest charges. The goal is to get out of debt quickly and start building wealth. Rule number 8, let's talk about emergency funds. Without one, unexpected expenses can lead to reliance on credit cards or loans, deepening financial trouble. An emergency fund is a financial safety net, aimed to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It might seem like a lot, but start small and build up over time. Rule number 9, take small steps to a secure future. Even small, consistent contributions add up. Set aside $20 or $50 each week and automate your savings. Start building your financial safety net today. Rule number 10, don't wait to secure your future. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the better. Thanks to compound interest, your money grows exponentially over time. Start now to maximize your retirement savings. Rule number 11, the power of compound interest. Compound interest means earning interest on your initial investment and the accumulated interest. Your money starts making money, creating a financial chain reaction. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Rule number 12, don't delay your retirement savings. Investing $200 a month at age 25 can grow to over $500,000 by retirement. Waiting until 35 cuts that amount in half. Rule number 13, take full advantage of employer retirement matches. It's like getting a bonus for saving for your future. Rule number 14, investing is essential for building long-term wealth but can be intimidating. A common mistake is not diversifying your investments. Spread your money across different types of investments to reduce risk. Rule number 15, diversification reduces the risk of losing all your money if one investment performs poorly. Rule number 16, trying to time the market is nearly impossible. Focus on time in the market and make consistent contributions. Rule number 17, adopt a long-term perspective and invest consistently, regardless of market fluctuations. Rule number 18, lifestyle inflation happens when your expenses increase with your income, preventing wealth building. Rule number 19, live below your means and invest the difference. This simple principle accelerates your path to financial freedom. Rule number 20, neglecting financial education is a big mistake. Stay informed about personal finance. Rule number 21, read books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos about money management and investing. Rule number 22, seek professional advice if you're overwhelmed or unsure about financial decisions. Rule number 23, impulsive purchases can derail your budget and hinder your financial goals. Rule number 24, implement a 24-hour rule before making non-essential purchases. This helps curb impulsive spending and avoid buyer's remorse. Rule number 25, your net worth is a snapshot of your financial health. Regularly tracking it helps you understand your financial standing and progress. Rule number 26, calculate your net worth monthly using a spreadsheet or online tracker. This awareness helps you adjust your spending and saving habits. Rule number 27, celebrate your financial milestones like paying off debt or reaching savings goals. The road to financial success is paved with good habits. It's not just about making money, but about managing it wisely and making informed decisions. Every small step you take, whether it's saving a little more each month or cutting down on unnecessary expenses, contributes to your overall financial health. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. From budgeting to investing wisely, each step brings you closer to financial freedom. Budgeting helps you understand where your money is going and allows you to allocate funds to the things that matter most. Investing, on the other hand, helps your money grow over time, providing you with a safety net for the future. Diversifying your investments can protect you from market volatility and ensure steady growth. It's about being intentional with your money, not perfect. Mistakes are part of the learning process. What's important is that you learn from them and adjust your strategies accordingly. Being intentional means setting clear financial goals, tracking your progress, and making adjustments as needed. It's about making conscious choices that align with your long-term objectives. Which of these mistakes resonated with you? Let me know in the comments. Sharing your experiences can help others who might be facing similar challenges. Your insights and stories are valuable, and they contribute to a community of learning and growth. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek advice from others who have been on this journey. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us create more content that can guide you on your financial journey. Stay tuned for more videos that will provide you with practical advice, tips, and strategies to achieve financial success. Together, we can build a future where financial freedom is within everyone's reach.